Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back sa ating channel. Today magkakaroon tayo ng isang product review. I-review natin ang USB budget condenser mic na HZ-MNC BM800 USB. Haba ng pangalan. Anyway, ano bang hinihintay natin? Let's do this! Before we go dun sa mga iba't ibang test na gagawin natin, tingnan muna natin kung ano yung laman ng box kapag binili natin siya. So ito yung itsura ng box kapag binili nyo siya. Very generic, wala namang something special about it. Now what's inside the box of course is yung inyong mic na USB-C condenser. And then you have your windscreen. And then meron din kayong XLR cable, 4-pin, na USB yung isang end. And then, meron din kayong mic stand. So, yung mic stand is yung 3-legged. And then, you have your shock mount. Yung shock mount, meron itong connector or parang adapter para pwede sa maliit at malaking connection ng mga mic stand. And then, you have your documentation na wala naman masyadong useful na laman. Anyway, so that's it. Yan yung laman nung box kapag binili nyo na siya. Now, let's talk about yung build ng mic na to. So, yung mic na to is metallic. So, matibay yung pagkakagawa niya. At least that's what I feel. Meron din siyang weight. So, hindi siya parang feeling very cheap na product. Now, when it comes to that metallic color na binanggit ko, so ayan, pakikita nyo naman, no? Just be mindful of that. May potential na mag-reflect yung ilaw ninyo. So, kung malakas yung ilaw ninyo, baka ma-distract yung nanonood sa inyo or sa inyong stream or sa video na in-upload ninyo. So, there's a black option for this. So, probably it's better going for that particular option. Now, when it comes to the mic itself, wala siyang kahit anumang buttons. Unlike this one, yung isa pa nating na-review na rin na budget condenser mic sa channel na to, merong echo, volume, monitoring, mic monitoring, and may mute button. This one is as it is. Now, it's not bad na wala yun. Okay lang yun. So, in fact, if I compare it dito sa condenser mic na ginagamit ko talaga sa channel na to when I make videos or when I do streaming, wala rin siyang kahit anong button. So, that's okay. Don't worry too much about that. Now, when it comes to the port, it's a 4-pin XLR. So, yung kasama niyang cable, obviously, is also 4-pin XLR. Nothing wrong with that. Ang akin lang dyan, hindi ko siya magagamit sa yung iba kong cable, hindi ko magagamit para dito sa mic na to. Kasi if you notice, so ito yung ginagamit kong condenser mic. And if I want a dynamic mic, this is what I use. This Audio-Technica 82005 USB. Pareho silang 3-pin na XLR. And yung iba kong mic din, 3-pin na XLR. Yung audio interface ko, 3-pin na XLR. So, in that sense, medyo limiting yung, yung 4-pin XLR na to. So, kung masira tong cable na to, I have to order another one. Wala akong magiging quick na replacement. But anyway, ingatan nyo na lang yung cable ninyo. And this is the mic stand again, and nothing unusual. Plastic yung thread, and then medyo mababa lang siya. This is the thing about it. So kung mababa yung table niyo, just like right now, medyo malayo yung mic sa inyo. And then shock mount, plastic everywhere. And then na wala namang again unusual. Merong yung tali na yan normal lang din, and meron lang din siya nitong adapter as I mentioned a while ago. And the windscreen. The windscreen is normal windscreen. Again, nothing too special about that. So that's about the build of this mic. Now we go to the assembly and connection of this mic doon sa PC. So for the sake of this video, hindi pala ito yung mic stand na gagamitin ko kasi medyo mababa siya doon sa gusto kong height. So I'm gonna use this. Hindi pala ito kasama sa purchase. This is a separate purchase. So the first thing we do is just connect this shock mount, no, dito sa mic stand natin. Now, itong shock mount, hindi ko na sinama or hindi ko ginamit yung adapter kasi medyo malaki yung pagkakabitan natin. So, ayan. Pagkagawa nyo yan. So, pag okay na yung inyong shock mount, pwede nyo nang ilagay yung mic. So, ilagay nyo lang dyan and then you should be good to go. Now, one thing about this, minention ko na to dun sa iba kong video. When you're using a condenser mic like this, most of the time, cardioid polar pattern yan. Of course, may mga iba pang polar pattern pero kadalasan the safe bet is cardioid polar pattern yan. Meaning, may harapan yan. Yung harapan, dun yung pinakamalakas na pick up. And usually, yung harapan is kung nasaan man nakasulat yung logo na yan. So, papakita natin. Ito yung harapan ng mic. Dito mas malakas yung pick up ng sound pag dito kayo nagsalita. Kapag dito kayo sa likod nagsasalita, mas mababa yung pick up ng mic. Pag dito kayo sa taas nagsasalita, mababa rin yung pick up ng mic. Dito yan sa harapan yung pinakamalakas na pick up ng mic ng cardioid na polar pattern. So we'll assume that this is a cardioid polar pattern. So diyan tayo magsalita mamaya. Now we're done with that. Lagyan na natin yung cable, no? And then that's it. And then dagdag na lang natin tong windshield. And there you go. You're done with the connections and assembly. Ikakabit na lang natin tong USB na to USB connection sa ating PC. So that's all that we need to do now. Connect this sa ating PC. Alright, so let me just do that and then test na natin to. Now we're ready to test this HZ MNC VM800 USB condenser mic. Napakahaba talaga ng pangalan. But anyway, magtuloy na tayo. Hindi pa pala ako sa mic na ito nagsasalita. Dito pa ako sa default mic ko nagsasalita. Anyway, let me just change this setting para dito na tayo nagsasalita sa ating mic na itetest. Alright, so dito na tayo sa mic na to nagsasalita. Ito palang room ko na pinagre-recordan natin. Wala akong electric fan na naka-on. Yung aircon lang yung naka-on. Di ko alam kung napipick up niya yung sound na yon. Pero yeah, ito yun. No? Ito yung speaking voice natin. Wala tayong treatment. Wala tayong kung ano mang ginawang enhancement. Wala rin tayong audio boost na ginagawa right now. This is just connected directly to my PC. Unfiltered, unedited, as it is. So, yan yung sound niya. Now, this is us speaking to this mic nung wala yung windshield. So, I'm just gonna use this windshield and that's probably what I'm gonna do throughout the rest of this video. No? Ilalagay na naka-windshield siya habang nagre-record tayo. So, right now, nagsasalita tayo sa harapan ng mic. As I've mentioned a while ago, make sure na kapag sasalita kayo sa isang condenser mic, assume nyo na cardioid polar pattern siya, meaning sa harapan kayo dapat nagsasalita. So, let me just show as a proof. Yep. Alright. So, yan. Sa harapan tayo nagsasalita. Now, what I'm gonna do is itetest natin siya. Ikot natin yung mic and just tingnan natin kung ano yung volume pickup niya habang ginagawa natin. Right now, probably I'm like 6 inches away sa mic sa pagsasalita natin ngayon. Our gain is around 75%. So, iikot natin yung mic just to see kung ano yung sound or just to hear kung ano yung sound kapag ginawa natin yan. So, right now, sa harapan ako nagsasalita. I'll move it around for 90 degrees. Ito yung sound niya kapag dun tayo sa one side, yung mic sa 90 degree side from the harapan. And then, iikot natin around 135 degrees. Ito naman yung sound niya kapag ginawa natin yon. Now, salita tayo sa likod ng mic. Yan, makikita nyo yung logo sa side nyo, meaning yung nasa side ko is yung likod. So, ito yung sound niya kapag naman nagsalita tayo doon sa likod ng mic. Now, the last one, try natin sa ibabaw. Ito yung sound niya kapag sa ibabaw kayo ng mic nagsalita. Alright? Balik na natin. So, I always recommend na kapag dating sa mga condenser mic na ganito na cardioid polar pattern, dun kayo sa harapan magsalita para yun yung malakas na pick up. So, ito na yon. So, let's just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright? Now, that's about it. Pag inikot-ikot natin yung mic at kung saan kayo dapat nagsasalita. Now, try natin ng palayo tayo ng palayo. Una kong gagawin, sobrang malapit. So, this is me na sobrang malapit sa mic. Hindi tayo sumisigaw or anything. Normal na voice lang natin to. So, ganito yung sound niya kapag sobrang malapit tayo. Layo natin onte. So, ito yung 6 inches kanina. Now, we try to go at least, maybe this is 1 foot away. So, ito yung mic sound or ito yung pickup ng sound. Kapag 1 foot away tayo dun sa mic, try ko pan lumayo. Alright, so this is probably a meter away sa mic kapag nagsalita tayo. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Try ko pang lumayo. Okay. Alright, so this is probably around, try natin lumayo. So this is maybe around 2 meters away dun sa mic. So ganyan yung pickup niya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then lastly, try natin. So this is maybe around, this one, 3 meters away sa mic. Ang layo ko na talaga sa mic. So yun yung pickup niya. Let's do the normal speaking voice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, so yan yung sound niya. This one. Wala tayong ibang binago. So balik na tayo. Okay, so balik na tayo dito. So again, we're back to that. I think at around 6 inches away dun sa mic. Now, let's try other noises. No noise pickup. So meron ako ditong chips. Ayan yung sound niya. Pickup ng mic, just in case someone na may kumakain dyan sa tabi ninyo. And ASMR tayo, sir. Try lang natin kung gano'n yung pick-up niya kapag may kumakain ng chips dun sa malapit sa atin. Or kahit tayo mismo kung kakain tayo ng chips. So, let's just do this for fun. Okay, so yun yung sound nun kapag may kumakain ng chips dyan sa paligid ninyo. Alright? Now, let's do another test. This time we do a test using, let's say, merong nag-gaming kayo, di ba? And syempre, gagamit kayo ng keyboard or controller. Pero kung PC gaming, kadalasan keyboard. So, ito yung sound niya kapag nag-type tayo. Now, this is just normal typing. This is a mechanical keyboard, by the way. Kaya sobrang clicky. Rinig na rinig yung sound. So, yung keyboard is nasa likod ng mic. So, nandun siya sa area na mababa yung pickup ng sound ng mic. So, this is how it sounds. I'm just doing random typing. Now, let's just say I'm doing rage typing. Nagalit kasi tayo sa game. Right. So, that's how it sound pagdating dyan sa rage typing. Alright? So, I hope that's a good test for you. Now, let's try testing this. Kunyari may ibang ambient sound. Let's say may electric fan tayo na gagamitin. Okay? So, ito yung gamitin natin, electric fan. Maliit lang na electric fan. And then, lalagay natin siya sa around maybe 135 degrees mula sa harapan ng mic. So, ito yung magiging sound niyan. So, ito yung electric fan natin just for your reference. So, yan yung pickup niya. So, yung electric fan natin, siguro yung layo right now is around more than a foot mula sa ating mic. So, let's just say naglalaro kayo and then may electric fan sa tabi nyo. Yan yung sound yan yung pickup nitong mic na to dun sa ambient sound na yon ng inyong electric fan. Alright? Alright, tapusin na natin. That's it for that test. Now, let's try yung pickup ng mic na to kapag ka naman gumamit tayo ng acoustic guitar. So, try natin ng isang musical instrument. So, mag-gitara lang ako ng something, kahit ano. So, right now, let me just set it up. So, yung mic is like directly nakatapat dun sa ating dun sa butas ng gitara natin. And, again, dun lang tayo nag-record ngayon sa ating recording device or recording software, hindi sa digital audio workstation. This is unfiltered, walang kahit anong enhancement, wala tayong i-apply kasi I want to show to you kung ano yung pickup nitong mic nito as it is, no? Walang post-edit. So, let's just play whatever. Kung ano man. So that's our short test of this mic. By the way, wala pa lang putol pala yung isang string ng gitara ko, nawawala yung second string mula sa baba, putol. So just in case hindi nyo marinig yung sound na yun, that's the reason why. Alright? Okay, so yun yung pickup nitong mic na to doon sa sound ng mga musical instruments na yun, yung acoustic guitar sa yung electric guitar. So yung pagkaka-record natin dyan, again, as is, wala tayong gagawin post, edit, hindi natin i-enhance or whatever, as is yan. Plug and play lang tayo. Obviously, kapag nagre-record kayo ng mga musical instruments or nagre-record kayo ng music, hindi lang naman ganyan talaga yung gagamitin nyo. Magre-record kayo sa mga digital audio workstations or sa mga software, no, na talagang record ng musical instrument and then i-enhance nyo yan. What I'm just trying to show is ito yung baseline sound na makukuha nyo out of this mic. Okay, balik lang tayo dun sa ating level your mic. Para dun sa mga nagtatanong kung pwede ba tong mic na to sa mga mobile devices. So, this is my S10 Plus. So, para mapagganan siya sa inyong mobile devices, kailangan nyo lang ng OTG connector. So, this Android phone has a USB-C connection. So, kailangan nyo lang ng OTG from USB-C, like this one, and then papunta sa USB. So, yan yung gagamitin nyo i-connect dyan. And then, i-connect nyo na yung other end ng cable ng mic, like this. And you should be good to go. So, try nating mag-record using this mic. Record tayo ng video via this cellphone. Okay? So, yung nire-record natin na video na to is via our S10 Plus na. So, yung ginagamit nating audio capture device dyan, itong ating mic, itong ating BM800 na USB mic. So, again, para magawa natin yan, meron lang tayong OTG connector. So, just to prove na dito galing yung sound natin ngayon sa mic na to. Yan, narinig nyo naman siguro yan. And then, tatanggalin ko rin yung OTG para marinig yung default na sound ng phone. Alright, so yan, tinanggal natin OTG plus yung ating USB na wire. So, ayan, yan yung tunog kapag ka yung phone lang mismo, no? Balik natin to. Okay? So, yan, dito na ulit tayo nagre-record sa ating USB mic. So, yes, this mic works sa Android phones. So, paano naman yung mga iOS devices para sa mic na to? No? Itong mic na to. Will it work? Yes, it will work. Pareho lang din. You just need an OTG connector. Basically, kailangan nyo ng Lightning and then yung kabilang side is USB na connector, right? So, ito yung kakabit ninyo sa iPhone na side and then yung mic na to na mayroong USB connection. Dito nyo na siya ngayon i-connect sa connector na to. And once you're done doing that, pwede na kayong mag-record ng video. Tapos ito na yung mag-audio capture yung mic na to. Okay? Okay, so dito naman tayo ngayon nagre-record sa ating iPhone. So again, ito yung ginagamit nating mic. Nakakonect siya via that OTG connector. So just a proof na ito nga yung mic. Tap natin siya. Okay, narinig nyo naman siguro yan. And also, tatanggal ulit natin tong OTG connector para gamitin natin yung default na mic ng iPhone. Alright, so ayan, tinanggal na natin. So ngayon, yung ginagamit nating mic is yung default na mic itong ating iPhone 12. So ibabalik natin to just to compare again yung sound. So, ayan. So ito na ulit yung ating ginagamit na mic, no? Itong ating HZMNC BM800 na USB condenser mic. Alright? So, yep, it works on iPhones too. Okay, so that concludes our review of this HZMNC BM800 USB condenser mic. So, comparing dun sa isang BM800 na mic, no, na condenser mic din, na this one is straight plug and play. Kabit nyo yung cable, no, one end, yung XLR end, and then yung USB na end dun sa PC, and then you're good to go. You can use it right away. So, hindi nyo na kailangan ng external na sound card, hindi nyo na kailangan ng, for example, yung ginagamit na madalas sa V8, you can just use it as it is, rekta. And for me, malaking bagay yon. Simplicity is everything, lalo na kapag marami kayong ina-upload na video. So, malaking bagay yon. By the way, yung pricing pala nito is around 1,000 pesos, I think. Just go to Shopee, go to Lazada, and search for that HZMNC. Lalabas na yan. So, that's the pricing point na tinitingnan ninyo. Overall, I think it's a good mic. Of course, it has its own shortcomings. I really hope na 3-pin yung XLR connections na ginamit nila imbis na 4-pin para pwede pa rin gamitin sa yung mga ibang cables ko. And then, would have helped kung merong mga volume controls or mute button here on off, but it's not the end of the world kung wala man. It's still a very functional mic. Narinig niyo iba't iba nating test na ginawa. So if that's the type of sound na gusto niyo makuha, then go for this mic. Alright? Okay, so that's it for now. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood, and maraming salamat sa mga sumusuporta sa channel natin, sa mga subscribers natin, sa mga nagla-like ng video. And if you think this video is useful, please hit that like button. And if you don't mind, please share it as well. Baka meron din ibang makakita na useful din pala tong video na to para sa kanila. Alright, so again, I'll see you in the next video. This is Kamotic Reviews. Peace out.